So hi there buddies, hope you all are great. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can create your Bybit account and how you can get 20 USD absolutely free of cost. So to get 20 USD you have to use referral code. What you can do, in the description I have given my referral code. You can just go through the link and create your Bybit account and you will get 20 USD absolutely free of cost. So you will see a screen like this. You can directly sign in with your Google account or you can put your email address and create your account. Now it will ask you for verification. So click on this verify now. Now there will be a KYC. I'm from India, so there is India. Click on this continue. You see this, there is this $20. Okay. Now you see this, our verification is done. Now you see this, there is this $20 in our account. In case if you don't get this money, then there what you can do, you have to deposit $100 and after it you will get the $20. In case if you don't get this money, after you deposit $100 you will get the $20 bonus amount, so it will be like $120 and instantly you can withdraw this amount also. There will be no issue. So I hope you like this video. If yes, then you can give this video a like and do subscribe this channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.